Students, today we will discuss addition, subtraction of rational expression with unlike denominators. So we have first objectives. Number 1, recall the addition and subtraction of fraction with unlike denominators. Number 2, add, subtract rational expression with unlike denominators. So let us first review. Find each sum or difference. So we have difference, or so we have unlike denominators. So 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3. So get first the LCD. The LCD is 12. So 12 now is our denominator. So 12 divided by 4 times 3, which is 9. Next, 12 divided by 3 times 2, which is 8. So, since we have now a like denominators or the same denominators, you will just copy the denominator, 12, and then add the numerators, 9 plus 8, which is 17. So, therefore, we have 17 over 12. Next, 4 over 5 minus 1 over 4. So get first the LCD. So the LCD is 20. So 20 divided by 4 20 divided by 5 times 4 is 16. And then 20 divided by 4 times 1 is 5. So the denominator now is 20. And then proceed to the difference. Get the difference between 16 and 5, which is 11 and 20. So let us now proceed to addition and subtraction of dissimilar fraction. For any real numbers A, B, C, and D, where B and D is not equal to 0. So we have A over B plus C over D, A times D, and then B times D, the denominator. And then B times D, and then B times C over B times D. So we have DV, AD plus BC. So AD plus BC over DB. Next, A over B minus C over D is equal to A times D over B times D minus B times C over B times D is equal to AD minus BC over DB. So let us find the LCD of the following rational expression. Factor each denominator. So get the factor of the denominator of 3x cubed. 3 times x times x times x. And then 6x squared y. So factor 3 times 2, which is 6. So dalawang x, since this is x squared, x times x, and then y. So therefore, our LCD is 3 times 2, which is 6, and then how many x? 6. How many x? We have 3, so x cubed, and then y. So our LCD is 6x cubed y. Find the LCD of the following rational expression. The denominator has no common factor. The LCD is x minus 2 and x plus 2. You will just copy the numerator. Find the LCD of the following rational expression. 4x squared minus 9, and then 2x squared plus x minus 3. The difference of two squares for the 4x squared minus 9. So difference of two squares, do you remember the difference of two squares? So factor of each denominator. So we have 2x plus 3, and then 2x minus 3 for 4x squared minus 9. And for the 2x squared plus x minus 3 is 2x plus 3, and then x minus 1. So the LCD is 2x plus 3, and then 2x minus 3, and x minus 1. So let us have an activity. Find the LCD of each of the following rational expression. You may pause the video for a while to answer the activity. Check your answer.